Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it's been a little bit, it's hard for me to stay consistent with my filming, to be honest with you guys. It's just, I just don't have the time I used to have with all the kids in the house and with reselling as my full-time business now. But if you guys don't know me, my name is Lisa. I am full-time reseller, but I also have 5 kids living at home right now. We have 6 kids all together, but 5 living at home, and I do things like Thredup rescue boxes in order to help supplement my inventory coming in because I don't always have time to go thrifting. Now that my youngest, who is almost 3 actually, she'll be 3 next month. Now that she is in part-time daycare, or it's actually preschool. She's in preschool for like 4 hours on Mondays and Fridays. It gives me just enough time to get to the thrift store and then come back and pick her up. So I've been doing that a little bit here and there when I have time, but I also have a lot of work to catch up on. So anyway, what I was saying was we're doing a Thredup rescue box today. That was a long intro. So this Thredup rescue box is one that I've never done. It is called the Rescue DIY Scrap Fabric. It's $30 and you're supposed to get 10 pounds. I've never been interested in this one, to be honest, because scrap fabric doesn't sound like something I want to sell, but if you guys don't know El Ducho, she is a reseller here. She actually lives locally to me. I've met her at the bins before. She's very sweet. And anyway, she has recently done 2 unboxings of the same box and got really good stuff. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. It's one of the more affordable boxes available. So here's the tissue paper on top. I'll show you guys a sneak peek of the inside. It's one of their smaller boxes. Yeah, it doesn't look like scrap fabric. It looks like actual clothing. So let's see what we got. All right, the first thing, this is Susie Chin. I've seen the Susie Chin for that boutique something. I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, I haven't seen that label before, but it is a blue lace sheath dress. So it has like a nude lining, and then it's like a navy blue lace over the top. And what size are you? Size 8. The weird thing that I noticed when I watched Denali's video about these boxes, it doesn't seem like the items have really been very flawed either. So I don't know why it's a scrap fabric box. I don't see any problems with this dress. Looking it over really quickly, and the lighting in here is terrible, as you can see, but I don't see any flaws. So, all right, this is just Exhilaration. It is an Aztec print, and it's a cute little like kimono with fringe. It's actually really cute, but this is not a brand I sell. I'll probably just throw this in one of my bulk boxes. I sell brands like this, like Target brands and Walmart brands in bulk on Facebook, like locally, for really cheap, like $1 a piece. Okay, this brand I used to pick up from time to time. Actually, I'm excited about this. This is eShakti. It's an online retailer, and they do like you can like customize your clothing when you order from them. But this is a 4X, so that's why I'm excited to see this in here. I love selling plus size. Let me sit up so I can show you this better. It's a really cute style. I don't know what you would call that print. It's almost like a geometric pattern. And then it has like these crocheted insets. Anyway, it's tiered and beautiful. I love this. Kind of has that like picnicky vibes to me. I don't know. Anyways, I think it's really cute, and I love the size. I don't see any flaws with it. So that's a fantastic one. All right. Ooh, I'm excited for this too. I don't see labels though. So this is just a little gray tulle skirt. It looked like there was a flaw, but no, I don't think so. It's just the lighting. This is like, there's a new core aesthetic that I just found out about called ballet core that apparently is now trending. So anything that makes you look like a ballerina, basically. This is just like probably a cheapy China, like no brand. It has no brand on it. I don't see a size, but it's 100% polyester. I'm still going to list it, and I'll just use the ballet core in the title. It has like a stretchy waist, so I imagine it would fit like a small/medium, but I'll measure it just to be sure. And so far, you guys, nothing flawed. So seeing lots of sparkle now. ModCloth 1X, that's amazing. What? Okay, this is super cute. Again, it almost has the ballerina vibes to it, you guys. It has really pretty, the glitter is kind of getting on everything, but it's a gold glitter, like circular pattern. and it's a 1X. That's awesome. I love selling wadcloth. It always sells super fast for me. So happy to see that in here. What is this? Oh my gosh. Is this a costume? Oh my goodness. I don't know. This feels like a Power Rangers costume to me, but hold on one second. It has a belt. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Okay, so this is like silver metallic belt, and it has like panels that have that silver metallic, and then it's a flip. Is it a flip? It is. It's a flip sequin from blue to silver, little paper bag waist skirt. Wow. And it's Shein. Look at the inside too. It looks like a lunchbox on the inside. I'm sorry, I shouldn't bash on this. It's an extra small. I don't know, is this stylish? I don't know. I have no idea. It kind of feels like a costume to me, but okay, I'll look it up and see if, we'll see. I'm not against selling Shein. I do every once in a while pick it up, actually, depending on style. Okay, this is no brand. It's beautiful, but I don't think I'll sell it. It's just a gold, like, what do you call this? A tunic? Yeah, it's like a tunic. It buttons down the front, and it has a gold paisley design. Has these little buttons on it that like kind of make noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, so it is unbranded. I come across this kind of stuff all the time at my bins, and I never pick that up. Okay, we have a formal. We have a couple formals. It looks like that's what I was seeing in Denali's boxes that got me excited. I was like, they're throwing all the formals in these. Okay, this doesn't seem to have a brand again. I think this is like another no brand China, but it's really pretty. It's a 100% polyester. I don't see a size. And this is a beautiful pink dress. Look at this dress. It has the like built-in bralettes there to give you that what is that called? Illusion. It has like a nude illusion top. And then it's beautiful full length maxi. So this reminds me of like Bridesmaid or Prom or something like that. I will definitely put those keywords in the title. It even has like rhinestones on here. It's really beautiful. Maybe I can use Google Lens and get a stock photo for it. It has one of those cheapy China labels on it, so I don't think it actually has a brand, but I can maybe hopefully find some sort of a stock photo to use. Oh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. What are you? This is another gown. I can't read this label. What does this say? Okay, it's a size 0. I think it says W toe. W and then T. Oh no, W2. Let me show you the label. It's kind of hard to read because it's like white and then silver, but I think it says W and then TOO 2. It was dry cleaned. Oh, this is a really pretty color. Look at this color. This is a beautiful dress. I don't know this brand, but it has like the one shoulder, and then in the back it has kind of a split here like that to go across to keep it up better. And it seems like it's a really well built dress. It has kind of a pinkish nude color to it. I don't know how you describe this color, but oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I really, really like this. This is my daughter's size. Might see if she wants that for a formal. There's no more formals left this year, but I don't know. Okay, what do we have next? I'm so excited. This doesn't have a brand either. I think they're just sending a lot of stuff that's like unbranded, it seems like. But this is cute. So it is like a V-neck. It has a floral and bird pattern, and then it has this like tassel here. Is this? Yeah, it buttons like partially down. It looks like it's a high-low hem, so it's shorter in the front, really long in the back. But it's really cute. It has that very cheap, like lightweight polyester feel to it, so you can tell it's not super well made. But I like the pattern on it, so I might still go ahead and try to sell it just because it's pretty. Didn't see a size in there, but I can always measure for size. This is so weird. This box, like, I don't know. I remember when they first came out with these, watching a couple unboxings and seeing everyone was getting actual fabric, but these are just like like clothing pieces. I don't know why they would market it like that. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know what's happening here. It's another dress with no labels inside, it looks like. And this one is more of a, has like the split sides where you tie them here. It's almost like, what do you call that? A Miu Miu or something? Maybe throw it on over a swimsuit because it's like really open. I don't know. All right, this is vintage. I can tell from the fabric. Yes, you are. This is April Cornell for Cornell Trading. Size medium. It's definitely, it's 100% rayon. This is definitely a vintage tag, but I'm not familiar with that brand. A lot of times brand doesn't matter with vintage, and this, look at this pattern. This floral pattern is gorgeous. It's like a pink and yellow. It's a maxi length and it buttons down the front. I will definitely sell that. I'll probably even put that on my Etsy store. Okay, one piece left, you guys. I have to say, I'm actually surprised I'm pleasantly surprised. There we go. That's the words I was looking for. This is universal thread, size small. Again, this is a brand that I do actually sometimes pick up at the thrift, only if it's like $2 or less, and if it's a cute style, which I think this is. It's a really pretty tiered maxi. It's a coral, and it has like a crisscross front top on here, sleeveless. Very cute, size small. I will actually try to find a stock photo and just go ahead and sell this. So you guys, I'm not mad about that at all. So how many pieces did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12 pieces in here. The 2 formals, I think, are the winners from this box for sure, but a lot of other really good things, like the ModCloth skirt, the Shakti dress that's plus size. I'm also really excited to sell this vintage skirt as well. So I'm definitely going to make a profit from this box. I am pretty stoked. Like, that was worth it. I was a little nervous when I went on the site. I was like, do I want to buy this? But I had seen 2 in a row that were really good from Denali. So I thought I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. And I'm glad I did. That was totally worth it. So if you guys are interested in the box, I always have a link down below. If you want to use my link, you do get a coupon. I think it's $10 off or 10% off. No, I think it's $10 off your first order. So check that out if you're interested. And that's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.